morning, sunshines. So today is Friday. I am 37 weeks today. I'm about to go run some errands, put Jackson on the bus, and I'm out of breath. So we're gonna go put Mr. Jackson on the bus. This cat always want to run in here as soon as the door opens, but I don't try. Leave the TV on for the dogs. Come on. Stay, Juju. Go. Go.
Where's my backpack?
What do you mean? It's in the car.
Oh, wow.
Leave the TV on for the dog. And I gotta go to my mailbox to go pick up a mail and drop this boy at the bus stop. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I don't even know where I'm going, people. But all I know, I have to get out of this house. So I've been taking the Zantac 150 since Tuesday, and I can't say it relieves all of my heartburn, but I haven't been popping Rolaids every night. Like, I usually go through a tube of Rolade. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Like, I go through a tube of Rolade per night. Like, I wake up and I'm like this. I go through that, one of that per night. And I haven't done that these last couple of nights. And I can eat and not feel like, ooh, heartburn. So I think it's working. I just have to give it time. So I think it was worth the investment to get the Zantac. So we're gonna give it, I only have 2 more weeks as of today before I have this little girl, which is crazy to think that I only have 2 weeks. Like, seriously, people, 2 weeks before this little girl gets here. And my favorite nail broke off, so I was like, yay, because I wasn't gonna cut him. But it broke off, so I was like, yes, I can finally go and get my nails done, because I felt so bad because it had grown so much. And I was like, oh, my natural nail. And I wasn't gonna cut it, but then it broke off, and I was like, yes, I'm gonna go get my nails done, get my eyebrows waxed, and do my toes, you know, so I look decent for my C-section. But I don't know when is the right time to actually go and do that. Like, do I go next week, or do I go midweek during the following week, if that makes any sense? Like, I am one happy chick, because the first time I checked the mailbox, right, there was nothing in the mailbox. Why is it so weird? I think it's the lighting. I'm driving, but there was nothing in the mailbox. And I went back to check, and it was there. So yeah, homegirl's gonna go cash this little bit of money and go get some stuff. I don't need it, but I will see you guys once I get to the stores. Toodaloo! I'm so tired, guys. So tired. So I just left Walmart, and as y'all know, I don't like filming. I don't like taking out my camera in Walmart. Something about Walmart. So I got me some French fries and a burger and one of these. It was $1. My lips are so dry. I look like I'm starving. Oh my God, these people be wearing the worst. I'm like, where do you get your outfits from? But I finished getting all the stuff that I need for my postpartum basket, and I just need to go get the Lancino Sudin breast thing. Walmart doesn't price match anymore, guys. They don't price match anymore. So I found it over Walmart and it was like $13. But on Amazon it was $10. So that's $3 that I'm saving. So I'm gonna go to Target and see if they have it. If they don't have it, then I'm gonna come back over here and get it because I need it. Because after you have a baby, your breasts get engorged. So I need to get that, and then I'm done. I think I'm done. But anyways, I'm gonna eat my fries with, am I the only one that eats french fries with mayo? I love eating my french fry with mayo. I'm weird. But I'm gonna eat my lunch and then go to Target and then go to the grocery store. So I'll catch up with you guys then. So I found it. I found the breast thing. I found it at Target. Told y'all I would find it. And it's it was, Target had it for $14. Target had it for $14, and they sold it. They
about it, Kanye West did tell fans that they can't get a
they sold it for $14. For $14, and I got it for $9.59. So not bad. Thingy. What's this? This guy. I got it for $9. So I saved $4. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired, guys. Oh. So I went to Walmart. Target, Harris Teeter, and I'm back home. I have to cook dinner. My husband wants chicken pot pie. Chicken pot pie. Look at Maddie, how big she is. This is 37 weeks, guys. 37 week worth of baby. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Target, what I got at, not at Harris Teeter, because I'm making chicken pot pie. So just what I got. Oh, and I have another shipment of Honest Company stuff. It came in. I forgot to skip a month because Maddie's not here, so I didn't really need the shampoo and conditioner and stuff. So I pushed the shipment back for November all the way to December. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got, and then yeah. So I got the Dermoplast. I got some regular pads because I have the overnights. So I got these for like when the bleeding kind of slow down. So I got the Always Infinity, and this is what, overnight? Yeah. And then I got some flushable wipes for, you know, down there. I got some wet ones from Walmart, and some witch hazel. So that's all the stuff I got from Walmart. So from Target, oops, money flying everywhere. From Target, I went and I got this. Amazon had it for $9.50 something. Target had it for $14, and it's just a 3-in-1 breast therapy thing. You can either have it hot or cold. And then I got Destiny these leggings. They were $6. And then I got her this maxi skirt. This was $10. It just looks like that. And then I got her another tights. because that's all she wears. And her dad hated. He hates tights. He hates them. But that's all she wears. It's like she doesn't like jeans. And I'm not going to buy her jeans because she don't wear them. And I got this crop top. So his thing is that if I get tights, I have to get a shirt that's long enough or some skirt to cover her butt. So I got these shirts. They're pretty long, so they will cover her butt when she wears tights. But he's very taboo when it comes to her wearing leggings and tights. So, you know, he's like, it's too revealing. She's too tight. So that's that. And then I got her this little shirt. This other little shirt. This was on clearance. So I'm gonna go start dinner. The kids should be home in 5 minutes. The boys are at karate, so I have to pick them up at 4:30. Let me call my husband and tell him to pick him up when he's coming. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So my husband is home. I didn't even start dinner. I said I was gonna start dinner, but I didn't. But we're gonna. My husband is putting this down. It's called Ultracide, pressurized flea insectable. No, insecticide. So you're supposed to spray it and get out. So he's spraying this now, and he's gonna do our room, and then we're gonna go and get out of here because he's supposed to be out of the house for 2 hours. So we're gonna take the animals. So yeah. It says kill active flea infestation and prevent reinfestation for fleas for 7 months. So yeah. And then we're gonna reapply again in 14 days. Is it 14 days or 7? 14 or 7 days. Is it 14 days or 7?
Oh, no. Not 14 days.
Yeah.
Why are you touching it?
I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it.
14 days.
Yeah, so we're gonna reapply this in 14 days. So this is the thing that he's using to treat the rooms. So I think I think that's the thing about having animals. It's just it's a pain in the butt. Per my husband, it was his ideas to get animals. It was my husband's idea to get animals. And now we have fleas. I'm not a fan, but we are treating it. So it's one thing if we weren't treating it, it would be bad. Can you imagine having fleas biting up your children and your baby and yourself? Oh, because my children haven't slept in their room in how long now, honey? Going on a month. They haven't slept in their room, just to be on the safe side, because I don't want no flea biting them. But the funny thing is we don't have fleas in the living room, and that's where the animals are. But we are treating the animals. The animals are treated, and they get a bath. They get a bath. How often do we give them a bath, honey? Every couple of days, like 3 days, we try to give them a bath in apple cider vinegar and antibacterial soap. And that's how we treat our animals.
Yeah,
Huh?
you need to wash your hands.
Okay, but yeah, so that's it for today's vlog. We're not doing anything else. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow, Saturday, because yeah, my husband's off. Yeah, it's the first weekend he's off in a while. No, that's a lie. He was off a couple weekends ago, but I think his busy season is over. It's official. Excuse me. It's official. Maddie can come whenever she wants now, because Daddy is officially finished with his busy season. And yeah, so we're ready for baby Madison to come. So little girl, you can come out now. You can come on out now. Like seriously, so over it. But 2 weeks for sure she will be here. I'm so excited. I can't wait to record that. That's gonna be, hopefully, I don't think we can record in the OR, but I'll record in the triage and stuff. So I'm gonna go wash my hands and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.